Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to study biology efficiently step by step. Begin by setting clear goals and scheduling focused study sessions. Use active recall and spaced repetition to reinforce memory. Combine visual diagrams with concise notes to map concepts. Teach ideas aloud to test understanding. Prioritize high-yield topics and practice with past questions. Review weekly to retain information and adjust techniques based on progress. Active recall and spaced repetition are study powerhouses you can adopt today. Start with small, frequent quizzes using flashcards or self-made questions. Space reviews progressively to strengthen long-term memory and reduce cram time. Focus on understanding mechanisms, not just definitions, and connect processes across systems. Use mnemonics sparingly to anchor tricky facts, then test without aids to check true recall and monitor progress. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Robot Face: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes tidy study spaces effortless. Use it between sessions to save time and keep focus on learning. Check the description for the link and other deals. Please share this. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Organize notes using concept maps and concise summaries to reveal relationships between topics. Draw labeled diagrams for pathways, then narrate steps to solidify sequence memory. Work through practice questions under timed conditions to improve application skills and exam stamina. Review errors carefully, rewrite explanations, and track recurring weaknesses. Rotate subjects every session to maintain freshness and prevent fatigue, and celebrate small wins to keep motivation high during a long study plan.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.